Moranz here, and this is your chance to get your name on my helmet. Every single patron will have their name on this helmet at the final round of Pro Motocross. The level that you are at determines the name size on the helmet, determines how many entries you get to win the helmet. Go check it out now, swipe up to learn more. Alrighty guys, what you guys are about to see is my first race back, 450 here at Ironman, presented to you by Dirt Bike Depot, produced by Clutch Media. Here we go. Here at the TPJ Fly Racing team setup, and got the bike all looking fine. We're gonna rip the wheels off, get them over to Pirelli, get some new tires on, get this bad boy ready to race.
Yeah, the problem is if you didn't follow our protocol, you've got all these steps you got to go through to take an impact test.
No, because I was told that I tried calling in, but I couldn't get a hold of anybody.
All you got to do is call me. I'll tell you
Can
all the
we whip one out right now?
No, you can't. It's too late. You have to go through. I have to have a letter from the neurologist saying you're cleared to ride, and you have to have the impact that shows you're cleared to ride. If you don't have the impact, nobody called. No one told you were coming back. The problem is you went to the hospital first, right? Like flighted you out of Atlanta, so we never got. There's a bunch of paperwork to give you a follow-up form. And I was in the pressure after all 100% inspiring a whole new generation of racers and asking them if first how much is first? 100% the spirit of racing. So let me see if I can reach him and ride to him without taking the impact. We don't go if you're safe. Thank you. Right.
I'm like shaking.
Okay, so when we go in town,
I'm gonna have to.
And
even
then,
if I miss first qualifying session, dude, I'm down to do whatever I got to do. We're all here, and I have people that are ready for me to race. Hopefully, I can just relax a little bit. You know what I mean? But
put it.
oh, dude, I literally felt like I was gonna pass out right there. Their voicemail was literally full, so I couldn't leave a voicemail.
We'll get it figured out. It'll work out.
Could you imagine? Oh, dude, if I can't race, I don't know what I'm doing. That's gonna be terrible. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I was about to lose it right here.
Some very funny performances, and interesting. So many riders come in and
Should I knock and ask or just wait? Want me to go get dressed, get ready, and then just come back and see. Because he's not going to be back until 8:35, and I go out at 8:50, so I can't not be ready. Awesome. Wow. Bro, I'm shaking. Well, let's just go get ready then, I guess. It's morning of, qualifying's going down right now. I just had the Asterisk Medical Crew guy come over and pretty much tell me I can't race today because I didn't properly go through my concussion protocol from 4 months ago from Supercross, which is understandable. When I signed up and registered, you have to prove that you have your concussion stuff done. And I asked the lady, I was like, can you please ask the Asterisk Medical Crew, so I can get a hold of them, if I'm cleared to go. She pretty much told me, yeah, you're good to go. Obviously, I registered 3 weeks ago and was set up to come here, and then they come up to me 15 minutes before my practice goes out and tells me I can't race. So that's my situation right now. They're trying to see if they can figure a solution out. I'm just hoping I can race right now because I'm stressing, bro.
avoid that last chance qualifier like it's the plague, bro. Do everything you can through these qualifying practices. That way the team, the tech, your body has plenty of time to recover and recoup.
Worst case scenario, maybe I can get up for the LCQ.
A little different strategy, Mikey. They're going to have some different techniques. A couple of these guys are going to let the group go. They're going to be half a lap before they ever take off. They want clean track. They want clean track.
During COVID, they had to do FaceTimes to do this stuff, right? So I'm assuming if I try to get cleared through a FaceTime from a neurologist, maybe they'll give me the impact test and I can get out there. I don't know.
It's 45 minutes to the hospital.
What about Louis?
They pretty much told me it's probably not going to happen. Because I was like, can I drive right now to the hospital, try to see a neurologist, get the impact test, like get out there for the last few laps of second qualifying session? Like, what can I do? Which I can't complain. Like, this kind of comes back on me, so I'm taking responsibility for it. But there should be a better way about going about it in situations like this. So, I mean, 4.5 months later, your boy's ready to go. And if I can't race, it's going to suck. Hello? What's the... Yeah. He's going to call me? Okay, perfect. Hi, bye. Alright, I'm going to go ask him. Drew's going to have a neurologist call me. So I'm going to go see what the situation is. Because he said he can't get a doctor's note made until Monday. So we're going to see if he can...
Doc can sit in with the call.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's something that the physicality is never really good opportunity. I think never going to moving forward. There's an opportunity to really blend it into a big part of it. I was teammates with
Drew's supposed to be calling me. Or Drew, because he knows a neurologist, my trainer. So I'm going to try to get on my email and see if I can pull up a old test link so I can at least get the test done.
Way of delivering his message. And again, you know, how much they morning something at 5 o'clock in the morning.
We're good to go. We're going out speed.
Right now, 4:50, Group B. We'll be back in just a moment. Perfect example from yesterday. He was back in last on that second moto, ended up finishing second in that moto. So that's the guy. I got to think a few people out there were picking the brain saying, dude, you saw that for sure. 450 Group B, Thomas Sudas and hits. So all those chess games start very, very early today.
Wow, bro. Wow. That is the highest of lows that I've ever had 20 minutes before I had to be out for a race.
Dude, probably ever.
Yeah.
Hopefully, I bet you won't do it again though.
No, I won't. You best believe I won't. I don't know. The biggest thing is, like, I figured 4 months later, different seasons. Like, I understand if you're trying to come back the next weekend, like, you gotta go through all that stuff. So it's one heck of a learning lesson for me, and it definitely won't happen again, but I'm just blessed that I'm racing. Let's put it that way.
No kidding.
I was not being rude, but I was being quiet. Like, I wasn't responding very nicely. So that, he made everything happen, dude. I'm just, thanks. Thank you.
Whether it's the DNCC will participate here. Underwriters need to have what the ceiling is, so today it looks like we're really close to 8 in just 3 minutes. Give you a rundown on who some of those riders are as we get a bit. In our first major of the day, obviously, we'll track right now.
Good. Riding, bro. Good ride. Who was second? With what? Over from almost not even racing to probably qualifying the best I've ever qualified in an outdoor. I don't think I've qualified inside top 20 in the tubing class. Maybe a couple times. Yeah, it's pretty well mined. It's going to be very tough to pass. But good thing the boy's good at starts. Jay! Alrighty, Moto 1, baby. All the drama went down this morning. We got it figured out. We're all good to go. And it's kind of nice being in 450 instead of 250. Everything's a little bit more relaxed. But down deep, bumped out the top 20 under the disc. So we'll see. Mash was just in front of me the whole time.
Holy cow!
I would have had almost a whole shot if I didn't slide.
Oh my God.
First turn, second turn. Alrighty, so Moto 1, not bad. I mean, considering it's my first moto back, and 4 months, coming back from injury. I went out, had some fun, was eating Bruce the whole time pretty much. He said, you know, just wanted to have fun, but I'd be pissed if I wasn't in the top 20. And of course I got 21st. So we'll go see if we can get some points in this one.
Yeah, just like I said, starts, you know. Second moto I have with them, exactly where they were before. Watch the whole thing. You know, he has a little bit of an okay start of the moto.
Thank you. It started off very eventful, very stressful. Just came into a whole thing with me getting hurt in Atlanta. Didn't have everything taken care of properly. Yeah, it started out very stressful. We almost weren't able to race. Thanks to Drew, my trainer, who came out real clutch. We got on top of it, got everything handled. He let me go out and B practice because I was dealing with it during A practice. Was out there. I was supposed to be in A practice. Long story short, we got to the motos. Qualified good, P1 and B practice with like a 206 or something like that. Ended up like 21st overall. I wanted to come into the motos, just didn't really know what to expect, right? Because I had been off for 4 months, shoulder injury, trying to come back with you know, therapy and all that stuff. So just didn't know where I sat. 21, and the first one was literally probably the worst place you can get at a pro national, because you work your butt off for the whole 30+2, you get no points out of it. And just kind of regrouped and rode a little bit better in the Moto 2, 17th for top 20 overall, P19. I can't be disappointed about it, you know what I mean? Coming back 4 months, first race back, first race ever on a 450, outdoors at least, inside that top 20, and I feel like it's going to be even better in California. So I appreciate the patrons for supporting. If you guys want to check that out, hit the link in my bio, or go to kevinmoranz.com, hit the Jordan Moranz Racing tab. But we're gonna get everything regrouped, fly out to California, and bring the heat.